Hey everybody out there. I always tell you all if there's anything you want us to do, any ideas you have for videos, to let us know. And a comment came up that we should make a video about how I ran the air lines from my compressor to my hose reel inside my garage. It's a really simple setup. If you're going to set up your air lines in your garage, there's some things you need to consider. The first thing you need to consider is where you're going to put your compressor, where you're going to put your air lines, how you're going to run them. If you're building a garage, it's a great time to put it up. If you've already got your garage built, it can be kind of tougher because you have to work around the structure already. But the first thing you need to do is point A, the compressor itself. Compressor will be point A. Hose reel, or where you want your air to come out at, will be point B. So you need to figure out where they are, measure them, figure out how to get the air from there to there. Mine is super simple. My compressor stays there all the time. It never moves. So all I did was I literally bought a separate hose from Harbor Freight. As you can see, I ran it up the wall, over, and straight into the side of the hose reel. This setup is permanent unless I take it back down. But it does not move, it does not anything. The way I have it attached, if you notice, these are actually conduit clips, what you would use an electrical conduit. These are like 3/4, or you can get half. I did not have any half, these are 3/4, and I actually closed them up, like took a pair of channel locks and pinched them shut. And I just used those, as you can see, down through there to attach it. It was really easy. This was the cheapest and easiest way to get air from, like I said, point A to point B. I did put a valve, a T and a valve, as you can see here. This valve closes the air off to the line. And the reason I T'd it was that way I can still have access to plug a hose directly into the compressor if I need to. But it's a super simple process, guys. Like I said, it's as simple as point A to point B and figure out how you're going to get there. I'd originally planned on drilling a hole right here and running the hose up and over my little attic, but then I would have a hole in my garage from then on, and this way literally I would just have these little screw holes if I ever take this down. But I mean, that was simple. Something to consider if you're going to run air like a hose reel like this is its location. The reason I put this one here is it's up, it's out of the way. It's really close to my workbench. It's almost central in the garage. As you can see, it's almost right in the middle. Plus it's close to this door, so I can run out the door and use it in the garage, the house. I can go out that door, air up cars in the driveway, or I can pull it straight down and be working on a car that is right here. So that's all there is to running the air in my garage. Keep it simple. Don't overthink things. If you're going to run air, I mean, it's not the best looking setup, but it works. Function over form.